this rumble, boom, 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 and it just went under our feet and kept going. It was just unbelievable. It rumbled like an earthquake.
Finally tonight, a story about a nice place they're calling a boomtown, jokingly. The problem is it's not funny. The good people in one town in Wisconsin would right now give anything to find out what's making that noise.
I've never heard anything quite like this. A tremendous boom.
It has been more than a day since those thunderous booms rocked the Valley.
In a world of smartphones and Google, people get answers to their questions these days right away. But tonight, there are no answers, only questions.
You can see the windows vibrating in this surveillance video from Roger Wilco Liquor on Wellington Avenue in Ventnor, then the stunned reaction of employees inside.
One volunteer fire chief we spoke with overnight said the boom was so loud he thought a house might have exploded.
Just all of a sudden there was just this humongous boom, just one boom. I mean, I honestly thought like a house blew up. Started looking for, a plume of smoke or something.
Continuous booming noise being reported in several area communities.
Or something dropping that's really heavy, like a big dumpster or something. It's just dropping out of the sky or something.
It's shaking them up.
A couple of you do end up feeling a little bit of the vibration.
I think that's what kind of surprised me the most, is seeing how widespread this is. It's not really confined just to Colonial Heights and southern Chesterfield. It's far-reaching.
A number of people reported feeling a mysterious shake or a boom in that beach town. Everyone was wondering exactly what it is they were experiencing.
Really unusual, huh? Oh, it's always unusual.
I was lying in bed reading, and I thought it was thunder. And I asked my husband if it was raining. He said, no, it's not raining.
You have these weird sounds. Just, you put two and two together, and you start to realize, maybe we don't know everything we know.
It's not thunder or rock blasting or even fireworks, so what is it? Mysterious, unexplained booms rocking parts of North Georgia.
The San Antonio International Airport nearby, airplanes are heard there every day. But as our Justin Ward reports, those who were awakened by this sound say it was very different.
It shook. We didn't know, what it was.
This was not normal. It was shaking the windows, the house was shaking.
So we asked, did this sound like anything they'd heard before?
Not at all. Nothing even remotely close to it.
Residents were shaken by a loud, explosive-like sound earlier today.
Sometime after 11, the walls and paintings started shaking inside the shop after they heard the loud boom. Ray Adcock says he immediately ran outside and says he saw other people running out of their buildings, checking to see what happened. Adcock says it was definitely nothing he had heard or felt before.
We're looking all over social media. It sounds like everyone around this area within a couple miles of us heard the same thing.
The rock quarry in the area is known to blast rock regularly, but residents tell me that particular sound was different from the blast that they've heard in the past. Reporting live in Owasso.
Monica's hands a calendar. She's been keeping track of all the booms.
And in November, at 7:50 p.m. on the 28th, it sounded like it struck the side of the house always, and it sounds like a Mack truck rams into your home.
But even more striking, the fact that nobody knows what causes it. Over at Town Hall, Mayor Mike Callahan's been trying to figure it out ever since he took office.
So the booms are one of our amazing little mysteries that drive us closer together. You know, every community has its lore, has its myth. As I said, the Loch Ness Monster exists.
For this piece of lore, there are lots of theories.
There's always the popular theory that they're digging a tunnel under our town as an escape route from Washington, D.C. to get to Andrews Air Force Base.
I wonder about the underground digging, what's going on there. See how it looks right here?
For Greco and her husband, they say the booms have caused cracks in their basement.
Reported hearing those very odd noises overnight. Turns out the sound was coming from road graders plowing snow and ice at the Valley Mall.
We love booms.